Welcome to our showcase of the DeskDirector Asset Manager, a revolutionary tool designed to streamline IT operations and asset management. This module integrates seamlessly with DeskDirector's ticketing platform, leveraging SharePoint and Power Apps for a comprehensive solution. The Asset Manager's menu bar is your primary navigation tool, offering easy access to sections like Overview and Procurement. It ensures a seamless experience with intuitive navigation, making it simple to manage assets efficiently. Our asset list provides a detailed overview of registered assets, including asset tags, serial numbers, and more. With color-coded statuses and icons for asset types, users can quickly identify and filter assets for efficient management. Effortlessly sort and search through assets using our intuitive features. The Import Assets function allows for bulk registration, streamlining the process of adding multiple assets to the system with ease.
Registering an asset is a guided process, ensuring accurate documentation. Users can input essential details, link assets, and assign ownership, creating a structured and organized asset management system. Explore detailed asset information with our Asset Details feature. Users can view core details, linked assets, and asset hierarchy, providing a comprehensive understanding of asset relationships and dependencies.
Asset classes allow for advanced organization, enabling users to group assets with unique attributes. The Document and Notes feature enhances collaboration by allowing users to upload files and add comments for comprehensive asset documentation. Thank you for exploring the DeskDirector Asset Manager with us. This powerful tool is designed to enhance your asset management capabilities, providing a seamless and efficient solution for corporate and prospective customers.